Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your name on your domicile. Changing your name on your domicile is a significant legal process that requires careful attention to detail. It's not just about updating a mailing address. It involves formal legal steps to ensure your new name is recognized across all official records. We'll guide you through the essential first steps to prepare for this important change. Once you've gathered your initial documents, the next step is the legal process. You'll need to file a petition with the appropriate court in your jurisdiction. This petition formally requests the court to approve your name change. After filing, you'll likely have a court hearing where a judge will review your request and, if approved, issue a court order. This order is crucial for all subsequent updates. With your certified court order in hand, you can begin updating your official documents. Start with your Social Security card, as this is foundational for many other updates. Next, update your driver's license or state identification card. Remember to also inform financial institutions, credit card companies, and any utility providers about your new legal name to ensure all records are consistent. Finally, don't forget to update your passport and any other travel documents. It's also important to inform your employer, educational institutions, and healthcare providers about your name change to avoid any discrepancies. This comprehensive approach ensures your new name is recognized everywhere. And hey, for some great deals, including those leak-proof containers to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.